Hey, Rowan. Is everything okay?
Yeah? Why?
You haven't done any of your work. Do you need help?
No, I'll get to it.
How's the work coming along?
Good, Miss Gomez. Rowan hasn't started yet.
Ah, jeez. Thanks a lot, Larry.
You haven't started? How come?
Well, my dog Rocket is sick and I'm worried about him. He's had a cold for 3 days and he seems to be getting worse. Normally he's full of energy, but he's just been laying around. He's barely eating.
Well,
I know what you're going to say. It's not a big deal, it's a little deal. But it's a big deal to me.
it is a big deal, Rowan. First of all, thank you for sharing this with me. And it's okay to be nervous. Everybody gets nervous about things. However, what can you do to make yourself feel better now?
Well, I don't know.
Well, if you've had Rocket for a while, he's probably been sick before.
Yeah, he got sick on Thanksgiving.
And did he get better?
Yeah,
Then why wouldn't he get better now?
you're right.
Another thing you can do is think about things your dog likes. Think of all the fun you've had with him, and you'll have even more fun when he feels better.
Yeah, and we can even get him some of his favorite treats as a get-well gift.
Good idea, Larry.
Okay, thanks for talking to me, Miss Gomez.
Do you feel any better?
Yeah, but it's still on my mind.
That's okay. You love your dog. You want him to be healthy. So you just have to tell yourself that he doesn't feel well now, but he'll feel better later.
Oh, so I have to be okay with feeling uncomfortable, and that will make me comfortable?
Exactly. And maybe, if you have a phone in your backpack, you can call home and check on Rocket. Then, you just have a few hours and you get to go home and be with him.
Okay. Miss Gomez, I think I can do my work now.
Sounds great. And just remember, it's okay to feel uncomfortable, but try and remind yourself that you've experienced things like this before, and everything has always been okay. So why wouldn't it be now?